A common question that I'm asked a lot when people are inquiring about life insurance is, how much life insurance do I actually need? I'm gonna help you figure out the answer. What's going on, guys and girls? We back again for another week, another lecture, another talking to is Talk to Me Tuesday with me, Professor Christopher. Now, for you new folks out there, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also make sure you turn that notification bell on for the new videos that drop weekly. Or if I were to drop a random one, just to drop it. Who knows? Who's to tell you what I'm gonna do, right? So, let's jump on into it. Let's not delay. How much life insurance do you, the individual, actually need? Now, in a perfect world, I would love for everybody to make these kinds of inquiries when they can. However, I know that everybody doesn't necessarily have a positive outlook when it comes to things like insurance, right? Because they've heard something that somebody else heard about this whole kind of thing, and then nobody really is sharing the positive stories or whatever. But if you are in the market and you want to know how much life insurance that you, the individual, need, then there's an answer to that question, right? So the real answer is it depends. And it depends because there are people in the world who are single, they don't have mortgages, they don't have student loans, they don't really just have anything, right? So all they have is a family that will be in mourning should they pass, right? So they were like, man, how much do I really need, man? Like, I don't have anything. So, you can use, this is a great time to get you something, just in case, you can pass it back to somebody else, mom, grandmother, whoever took care of you. Or if you was that type of person, you could leave the proceeds to your life insurance to your church, a charitable company like Red Cross or something like that. People do that all the time. Like, whatever it is that you want to do, right? So now what I will tell you is, if you have something like a mortgage, right? Let's just say you got $65,000 left on that house, right? And you have a life insurance policy for $25,000. You need more. Or let's just say on top of that mortgage, you have maybe $30,000 in student loan debt. And you still got that $15,000 or $20,000 or $25,000 policy. You need more life insurance, right? So there is a method that most life insurance agents use. There's a lot, but there's one in specific that they should be running you through. Should you not be just sticking to a particular budget, and then you'll come back later and you get the difference of what your actual need is, right? So you're either doing that or you're actually sitting down. They have like a questionnaire. Say, okay, so how much do you owe here? How much do you owe here? Do you have any children? Would you like to maybe establish some kind of college fund that's built into this kind of thing should you pass early? Like, the whole idea of life insurance, and I keep hating that I have to to chisel this in, but the whole deal of this is to make up for what your family has lost money wise, okay? Feelings are gonna be feelings, cool, but let's not make it worse by not having some kind of established plan of funds that's going to help out, because a sudden death or something like that, your income instantly goes in the middle, half of it's gone, and you've built a lifestyle based on a 2 income type of deal, right? So it's a whole special thing that you need to run through in order to figure out how much life insurance that you actually would benefit from having at this current time. So, I mean, of course, I know, you eventually pay off debts and you don't have those debts anymore, right? But you got this life insurance policy that was covering for those debts at that time, and that is a great thing to have, because like I said, something's going to happen, and the Lord or whatever deity of your choice, if you have that kind of thing, they're going to call you home, right? So if you don't have those debts, you just passing down straight cash, baby. I don't understand what the problem with that is. So let's think about it. Happy shopping.